Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified. Today, we're tackling a super relevant topic: how to transfer Bitcoin from your Arculus wallet to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. With crypto evolving fast, this step-by-step guide will help you do it securely and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner looking to move funds or an experienced trader optimizing your portfolio, this video has got you covered. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both the Arculus Wallet app and the Coinbase Wallet app installed on your device. Open up your Arculus Wallet and log in with your secure credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your Bitcoin holdings. You'll see a list of your assets. Select the Bitcoin you want to transfer. Next, switch over to your Coinbase Wallet app. Go to the Receive section and select Bitcoin. This will generate a unique wallet address. Copy this address carefully, as it's crucial for the transfer to go through correctly. Double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Remember, in crypto, one wrong character can send your funds into the void. Now, head back to Arculus Wallet. In the Bitcoin section, look for the Send or Transfer option. Paste the Coinbase wallet address into the recipient field, then enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Before you confirm, review the transaction details, including fees and network confirmation time, which might take a few minutes in 2025 due to updated blockchain protocols. Hit that confirm button, and you'll be prompted to verify with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric scan. Once approved, sit back and wait for the transaction to process. You can track its status in both apps. Finally, once it's complete, check your Coinbase wallet to ensure the Bitcoin has arrived. If everything looks good, you're all set. Always remember to transfer small amounts first if you're new to this, and never share your private keys. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.